This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. Today I'm going to be talking about how to prepare for an IRS tax audit. And you got a nasty gram from IRS. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I was a teaching instructor. I've worked thousands of cases. Welcome to my home office. Welcome to coming into my home today. I love to give you the information that you need. If you need us for representation, you're certainly welcome to call me. I do answer my own phone. You know, when you prepare for a tax audit, you kind of really need to do this in a more relaxed mode. This isn't the end of the world. I know it's easy to say I used to work for IRS, but it isn't. At the end of the day, your first meeting, you're going to go in with as many records as you can. Don't think that's the end-all meeting, because it isn't. At the end of the day, you got a second or a third meeting if you want. You can reconstruct your tax returns, reconstruct expenses. You can have an appeals meeting with someone else. You can go to tax court. Sometimes these processes take up to a year. They can take 30 days, depending on you, your agent, and the records. But a lot of people think, oh my God, I better bring everything in the first time. Not necessarily the case. You may go in and the auditor may say, well, I want this and that. And you may say, well, I don't have this and this, but I maybe be able to reconstruct some things that, and I give this all the time. Let's say you're a painter and you did about 15 jobs a year and you don't have your records, you lost your records. You may need to go to vendors. You may need to put a history of whose house you painted, how many square feet, a little statement from the person, yeah, they painted my house, this is how big it was, here's pictures. You can produce evidence if you don't have the receipts, just by keeping a log, and you can put that together. That's called reconstructive tax auditing, IRS auditing, and that's okay to do that. This is a great thing to be able to do, because a lot of people, especially self-employed, may not have perfect records. So if you don't have perfect records, remember the reconstructive method works for you. We're really experts in this. IRS actually uses 9 methods of reconstructive expenses, and if that's one of you and we can help you with that, we're really good at that. That's what we do for a living. Thank you very much for listening, but reconstruction is your friend, so don't get all freaked out when you get your first IRS audit notice. It may last longer than you think, and that's to your advantage. Give me a subscription to share if you would. If you have any IRS problem, I answer my own phone. Thank you very much. I appreciate your ear and your time.